Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And this will be number 9309. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also a lot, 16 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but the publisher has indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I can't not see any single boxes here. How about the next question, the dual boxes? Do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, this one is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, it can't be 5 anymore because we have a 5 in the same area. So it should be a 4 then. Alright. More triple boxes. No. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box and there a quadra box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadro box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay, here I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay, but it can't be a 2 anymore. We have a 2 here. This box should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box should be, so one box left in this dual box for number 2. Okay, more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only one. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another one, also rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's 2 here. All right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Oh, when you see this kind of shape, remember the Z construction is the Z. If you rotate this to the right, you will get the Z, and when you flip the Z, you will get the S construction. But it's the same shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the Z construction. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. It's rotated, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 4 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So the 1 should be here or there. But I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. So 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. I think this box should be 2 because can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, and this box can be a 1, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here, okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have 3 now, so this can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 5 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Well, then, let me see. These 3 boxes can be a 3. And that box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box level 2 in this area supposed to be here is connected with that box. Should be so a 2. Then let me see. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Yeah. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. So 1 digit left. Oh, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These two boxes around the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 4 should be here. Okay. We go up. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4. And 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These two boxes around the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 1 should be here because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Okay. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4. And 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. Then this box can be 2, this box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 1 is connected with that box. So 1. Then, well, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. Here we have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. So the 5 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes here. Overlook this 5. I mark those two boxes with a 5. We have a 5 here, so this can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, we go down. Okay, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me here. This box can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. This one is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this Z constructions for number 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4. Okay. Yeah, these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 5. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this area for number 4. Alright, we go here. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay. 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 3. Mark those two boxes earlier with 3. We have 3 now, so this can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Mark those two boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box cannot be a 3. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Friday. It's a weekend.